Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop, and I want to show you today a new cool feature we just released for FileDrop. You can copy files you've added in different folders to a single folder if you need that. I've prepared the demo sheet here and added a couple of files. What I'm going to do is select these two files. So these are the files that I want to copy. I'm going to use the copy files and folders function. You'll find this in the tools menu here. Let me just open this again. And I have a few options here. I have the source folder, destination folder. I have no source folder here. I only have a destination folder, and it's a demo folder here. I'm going to copy its ID, paste it here, and I'm going to select this option here, copy selected files from sheet. I'm going to click start copying, and it should take just a couple of seconds for the files to be copied to my folder. And the copy is completed. I get the and you can see I think I didn't select the files properly. Let's try this again. Copy again. And okay, so sometimes it takes a bit for the files to appear in your new folder, depending on the size of your file. I hope you find this useful. I think it's really easy to use, and there are a lot of use cases where you want to use this when you have files in different folders that are spread and you want to just add them to a single one. It's a very good use case. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.